VC Pandey bans Mutta and Musa for violating Manipur University Act 2015. Varsity community condemns all VC's order as against MOA signed with MHRD. Villages of Fungyar suffer lack of electricity with 33 by 11 kV power substation of Fungyar remaining non-functional since inaugural. People accord warm welcome to Yumkaibam Nanao, who walked rally from India Gate till Kangla Gate, spreading awareness on crime against women, drug abuse and integrity. And Salai Holdings Private Limited partnered Forest City project of Malaysia, acquires selling business rights of all high-class villas, condos and apartments across India. Kurumjiri, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, has imposed a ban on Manipur University Teachers Association, that is MUTA, and Manipur University Staffs Association, MUSA, with immediate effect for violating the provisions of Manipur University Act 2015, bringing upheavals and turmoil in Manipur University campus. In a press release signed by the Vice Chancellor, it mentioned that the Manipur University Act 2005 does not provide any provision for existence of employees' bodies like MUTA and MUSA, and it has become inevitable to carve the activities of both MUTA and MUSA to bring order and maintain discipline in the university campus. The VC has also imposed a ban on holding of any meeting or otherwise by the two unions. VC Pandey wants that any employee of the university found indulging in the activities of both MUTA and MUSA shall invite disciplinary actions as per service conduct rules. On the other hand, MUSU, MUSA and MUTA have strongly condemned the ban order released by VC Pandey, who is supposed to be on leave during the ongoing probe into the allegations against him. They asserted all orders issued through emails by the VC should be made null and void. The university community has warned of intense agitations from September 4th if the matter remains unresolved till tomorrow. It may be mentioned that Professor Adya Prasad Pandey notified that he has resumed office as the Vice Chancellor of Manipur University yesterday and issued various orders through emails. Speaking to media person at MUTA office on MU campus today, MUTA spokesperson Professor N. Devananda asserted that VC Pandey's acts have defied the memorandum of agreement signed between stakeholders of university and the Ministry of Human Resource Development. He also intimated that after separate meetings convened by MUSU, MUTA and MUSA, the association held a joint meeting. During the joint meeting, the university community has condemned and rejected all the orders issued by the VC. MUTA and MUSA have also asserted that it is unconstitutional to impose a ban on the university association, as every other university in India has such teachers association. Professor Devananda drew the attention of the authority concerned to take the matter in a very serious manner.
Yam tuna normal sida hanjalakna ba honari marakta suti de legadaba miyo yamana kut thingjalaktuna normal sida akai ba pirak pase Manipur University community na yam strongly condemn tawi mana wakhalda ningak pa mayam order oina adusu email gi khuthangda ko university campus manungda leiraga fully act toroga thokpa nataba sigi interim order singse Manipur University community na amata yabangam de magi interim orders singsi they will all be considered invalid and shall be considered null and void haina amata oina yanagre memorandum of agreement si Manipur University community na violate tawunate hanagi BC ki chair da phamamba incumbents na violate torpani Ministry of Human Resource Development su mana karimta mawal laudana violate tawrim state ki highest political seat ta phamiba CM gi office pusu mana kaisu lumna laudabagi mong utle maramdi honorable CM gi presence ta MOA si sign tawnakibani.
Sit-ins were staged in various parts of Imphal Valley against extension of Article 371 Clause A and 6th Schedule of the Indian Constitution in Manipur and against disintegration of Manipur. Local clubs and Merapaibi members under the initiative of United Committee Manipur UCM staged sit-ins at Tidim Road, Ghari, Kwakaithel Thaunaujam Laikai, Kwakaithel Bazar, Kwakaithel Thokchom Laikai, Takhilambam Laikai, Sega Road Thokda Bhabok Laikai, Thingom Laikai, Konjin Hazari Laikai, Top Lairak, Kashampat Laimazam Laikai and Kashampat Moirang Ningthau Laikai today.
Manipur da laiba akhoi khuding makse Manipuri oina hingminagadamni naga su kuki su loina bakse punchalaga akhoi amatta oina hingminabase koi ima hoi pame haba ngale tana irang thokpase ima hoi pamde santi laina pa laiba pame haba aduna ima hoi je thamoi yam choi tung dai chai su singje kari oi hau doino khanbada ima hoi ngasi laibam chabam khangde aduna ne houjing Manipur se mache tabasu yaroi aduga 317 gi ek se ju banba yaroi akoi amatta hoina laibase pame haba asi yauna hauri ba irang mara asida moina ngasi babuda aduni adane amata haiba ngamdri base mokoi power do laitragadi moi masa masa na khangna design tawto.
Apunbar Organic Producer Company Limited, Thoubal, under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region, that is MOVCD NER, the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, distributed free organic fertilizers and pesticides to beneficiaries at Kakching Khunau, Awang Laikai today. The organic items were distributed to altogether 230 beneficiaries of the company from Umathel, Kakching Khunau and Kali Kalok. Chairman of Apunbar Organic Producer Company Limited, Khaidem Sadat, told a media person that there are altogether 500 beneficiary farmers under the company sponsored by the Agriculture Department under MOVCD. He stated that the distribution program was organized with an aim to encourage and facilitate farmers who have been cultivating chakhao, black aromatic rice, since 2016.
Tampapho amadi RCM 9 10 Kokoda Agriculture Department na Sahogi Karasin Lagoi Valley District Bari Abadi Imphal East Imphal West Thawar amadi Bisanpur Hariba Valley District Barista Tampapho amadi RCM 9 10 Tharaga koi farmers sing sida koi subsidy oina palising teret kachama per hectare da koi subsidy oina farmer mating pangiraga hariba koi sigi fertilizer gi input sina mayang mating oina ba na koi si de.
The Garden Care Service provider organized plant health camps at different parts of Imphal East District today under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region, the Ministry of Agriculture. Various organic and bioplant medicines were provided at wholesale rate during the camp. Farmers attending the camps expressed desires for frequent conducts of such camps. The camps were held at Lamboikul, Uyumpok Terapur, Uyumpok Mayamang Laikai, Bukhau Laipam, Ishika, Yumnam Khunau and Takham. The 33 by 11 kV substation of Phungyar remains non-functional till date. Speaking to media person, Secretary of Phungyar Town Development Committee, Reishang Ningsen, intimated that the power substation was inaugurated by the Power Minister through video conferencing during a program held in Mao on August 14 last year. He lamented that villages are facing inconveniences due to lack of electricity as the power substation is still awaiting commission to be functional. He intimated that the power substation was inaugurated. Reishang also conveyed that Phungyar Primary Health Center is unable to function properly with its medical staff comprising of just one doctor and 3 nurses. He expressed disappointment that authority concerned have not yet provided adequate infrastructures and staffs despite repeated pleas. The secretary of the committee further disclosed that the Phungyar SDO office is not functioning adequately, due to which villagers have to face the inconveniences of travelling all the way to Ukhrul for getting caste certificates and other documents. Reishang Mingsen alleged that officers posted at SDO office hardly visit the office, as most of them remain centralized in Ukhrul and Imphal. He appealed to the authority concerned to look into the plight facing the villagers at the earliest.
Government asi okay 3011 kv power substation lakbi basi shembasi yam nungai ba adubo hoji phawsi commission tawdre ba pribu adu okay public si yam wan le aduna okay ga apamadi hoji se okay light power substation si yam thuna commission pibiro okay Phungyar si primary health center ni adu hanna digi okay concern department adum haira adu moi pokhum leite haibdi hoji phaw doctor amang tani ba a doctor amang si kersu okay yengda functioning oide ba hoji SD office si function oide ba cash income law adu khotpa adu domicile income law si ayamna Ukhrul Imphal adum challe ba adu okay public si yam ware.
BJP Manipur Pradesh OBC Morcha joined the BJP's nationwide Bharat Gaurav Parva observance today. Floral tributes were paid at the statues of the great leaders of Manipur on the occasion. It may be mentioned that National BJP Chief Amit Shah has informed all state units of the party to celebrate Bharat Gaurav Parva during August 15 to 21st this year. The week-long festival is aimed at invoking the spirit of patriotism among people, and the Saffron Party will croon the tale of valor of freedom fighters. Speaking to media person, President of BJP Manipur Pradesh OBC Morcha S. Levin expressed that the observance was held in reverence to the brave leaders of the state who sacrificed their lives during the freedom struggle. He said the nationwide observance was held in August, but due to various bans and strikes last month, Bharat Gaurav Parva was observed in Manipur this month. General Secretary, Administration of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar also took part in the event.
Iramdam Manipur Sibu, Ninka Tamna Honabada, Barapu Ninka Tamna Honabada, Tawaina Ponta Pikiba, Alaman Singshida, Nakta, Yetuna, Mukoina Towiramba, Nasi Tungi Miron, Gitamaka Tambiramba, Tawiramba Tabak Singadubu, Singtaduna, Iko Sigum Lava, Laishu Katpa, Kitabagasi Pangtopani, Agasta, Gitabum Dagi, Satarak Paduna, Agasta, the Karigumba, Ban Bloke Lagi Buduna, Iko Numit Marini, September Tat Sondaraga, Angchit Pauba, Satagadabu Dagasi, Iko OBC Morsa Wena, Nasi, Sigum Lava Tawa Singi Mitamda, Koina Laishu Katuna Makoi Bukai Kumnabu Utbagi, Tauromasi Pangtok Javan.
Members of Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh also paid floral tributes at the memorial site of Pauna Brazabasi in Khongjom War Memorial Complex as a part of Bharat Gaurav Parva observance today. BJP Manipur Pradesh OBC Morcha, in association with BJP OBC Morcha Thoubal District, organized the ceremony. Floral tributes were also paid at the memorial sites of other prominent martyrs of the state. Socialist Students Union of Manipur SSUM is organizing a meet on September 9 to discuss on ways to propagate the ideologies of former Chief Minister Mohammad Alimuddin, who worked for the welfare of the society without discriminating on the basis of caste, creed or community. Speaking to media person at SSUM office in Kishampad, Publicity Secretary SSUM Rashid MM stated that Mohammad Alimuddin worked for the welfare of the state during his term and promoted unity among communities. He called for installing a statue of the former Chief Minister in reverence to all his good deeds. Rashid said that the discussion meet will be held either in SSUM office or Lilong Haurebi College. He also disclosed that an organization called Mitay Pangal Apun Baluk MPAL will be formed on the day. Rashid appealed for public participation in the meet.
Thobasingi numit ana pangthokliba 30 lagasisu nixing sumba magi torma thabuksin bu nixing boina lup asina goige lelong horibi college ta September ge date 9 da ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯉꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ SCMꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯄꯥꯉꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
A one-day women's conference was organized exclusively for women by Organizing Committee of 21/36 Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency under the initiative of social activist Dr. S. Manauton. The conference was held at Indira Gandhi Memorial Community Hall in Mekola Market. Speaking to media person, Dr. Manauton asserted that women play a significant role in enhancing economy and bringing peace in the state. He also said the conference will discuss on various prevailing social issues, schemes and benefits provided by the government, and on ways to generate self-employment.
Mapureba kaina khrabi mapureba sena khaina khrabi du manupi singi damak koina yum sabi bana chingba loinana nupi singna tongan tongan ba scheme kaya ama piraga thabak suhalliba masigum mayam se khoi punna tasan minaraga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯒ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯒꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯎꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯦꯟ ꯊꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯒꯠꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯅꯥꯎꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯐꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯀꯣꯂꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Yumkhaibum Nanau, who walked rally from India Gate in New Delhi till Kangla Gate, spreading awareness on crime against women, drug abuse and integrity, was accorded a warm reception today. 22 years old, Nanau is the son of Muhammad Islamuddin from Lilong Haurebi Makhalaikai, was given the title Pangalpari Athoba with much appreciation by the people. He took 38 days to reach the state, passing through 9 states. Reception Committee for Y Nanau Walking Rally from India Gate, New Delhi to Kangla Gate, Imphal organized the reception program at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace compound this afternoon. Speaking on the occasion, Minister T.H. Biswajit lauded Nanau and expressed a desire to mark the day and commemorate his feat every year. He assured of spreading the message of his journey using national media of the country as an IPR minister. The minister also assured of assistance for constructing a house for Nanau under PMAYG scheme. Social worker R.K. Kaiku, USM President Sunil Karam, Amuko President P.H. Devan also attended the reception.
समाज में सेमकटप नत्रगा समाज में रिफॉर्मेशन तौबा रिफॉर्म तौबा अमदि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तौबा असि कोई यामना ओरबो मतम अमनि यामना थागनिंगाय ओबदि वर्किंग ओइना दिल्ली इंडिया गेट तगी ngasi ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तौबा रिफॉर्मेशन तौबा क्वाडी के मरो ओइबा मचाक अहुम अमसे मसी ओइगनि हाइदना नॉट ओनली इंडिया नॉर्थ सिंध नतना अखो इंडिया के मफों खुदिमा तो मैसेज अमा फिर मला ओइबने एसी की इंटीग्रेशन के पोर अमला को मतम मणिपुर की इंटीग्रेशन हाइदेबा नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन हाइरीबा अदुबा नुपीसिंग की मायोक सथब क्राइम के अगेंस्ट हाइरीबा सोसाइटी की अमद माइ पादी करी तौगदगी हाइज आइगी वखलोन ओगदबने मागी वखलोन समाज तंगदबा आइगी फुरुकी अमदे पुरम की दमक खल कान माना लौरे फिरेप्तुने अखोइन ngasi इकाई खुनरिबा अमदि खुमनगदोरिबा प्रोसेस नि आइन थमनिजे अवोनबा अमद ससी हारगदि अरिबा पोर्ट हिस्ट्री दि लेंगबा यादे दुबु हिस्ट्री जेदा लाइबा पोस्ट द कमाय तौदना कोन मॉडर्नाइज ओहनगदगे मॉडर्नाइज ओबा वखन चकदगे हाबदुसो अखोइन खनबम थोय हाबजे मा जादा तैसिंगना हाजगनी.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah conveyed heartiest greetings on the eve of auspicious occasion of Janmashtami, that is Krishna Janma. She hoped for the festival to bring peace, cooperation and mutual goodwill among all the communities of the state. Chief Minister Nongthoma Miren wished the people of the state, especially the Hindu community, on the occasion of Krishna Janmashtami tomorrow. In his message, Biren said Lord Vishnu was born as Lord Krishna in his 8th incarnation to eliminate evil from the world. He wished for the festival to bring peace, harmony and prosperity in the state. A team of Commando Imphal East and Women Police Imphal East arrested women in possession of contraband drugs in Porampat this morning around 5:30. The team led by DSP Operation Imphal East under the supervision of OC Commando Imphal East arrested the women identified as Buyamayum Sultana, 23 years, wife of Kamal Hassan from Porampat Thawan Thaba Laikai. The seized drugs include 31 stripes of nitrosun tablets, 717 spasmoproxivone tablets, and 1,600 WY tablets. The arrested person was handed over to Porompat police station for further actions. Residents of Samurao took out rally demanding severe punishment to rape accused Abujam Tombisana of Samurao Awang Laikai. A sit-in was also staged at Samurao Kaithel by the JC along with various students and women organization of Manipur. Now let's take a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Salai Holdings Private Limited joining hands with Forest City project of Malaysia. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Salai Holdings Private Limited has joined hands with Forest City, Malaysia and acquire selling business rights of all the high-class villas, condos and apartments across India. Chairman of Salai Holdings and Samarjit, who is in Malaysia to take part in the inauguration program of Legacy Golf Course of Forest City organized by Country Gardens Pacific View at Johor Bahru in Malaysia, intimated the same to media person today. Samarjit mentioned that he, along with other representatives of the firm, were invited at Country Gardens Pacific View after the inaugural function to discuss the same. He stated that Salai Holdings has been initiating talks with Country Gardens for developing various towns in the northeast. He added Salai Holdings Private Limited was established with an aim to generate employment opportunities to the people of the state.
Manipur su Manipur ki government ka akogi Country Garden ga akogi punna Salai na mediator ama oiraga Country Garden bu investment to holaga Forest City gumba ama education sector do oigera international university ama like akogi Juko Valley da hazagra bam da international akogi university ama akogi katpa yai yukadaba sagalakpa matamda magi tangai phadaba singado Country Garden da lahunba yabagi khudong sa if government abu makoinabu ekoida chapchaba support pibiragadi madum oithokani Manipur da su Manipur ki government ka akogi
National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment (NPCB) and VI and National Health Mission Manipur Thangmeiban jointly organized the 33rd National Eye Donation Fortnight today. The event on Do Not Leave a Will, Leave a Vision was held at Thau Ground. Speaking on the occasion, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar appealed to donate eyes instead of leaving a will. He further stressed that both the centre and the state governments have initiated various schemes and projects to improve the health sector. National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment and National Health Mission have been conducting National Eye Donation Program every year to encourage eye donation. Over 140 students took part in the painting competition held on the occasion.
Ishona semi maklim mit sekon sabangamdri ana sabangamdabanina su maklim mit singse yaraga dia topa uning bagangbu adagi akhoi kanto bagangbu nungai yapna lehni bagangbu madu yabu taraga di nang chahi ga do nang nang mittu donate to biramu mayam da kathok biramu nang hingam maklim mi be samaje madu lehori bagangbu singdana nungai yapna hingna mu tingdamakta yaraga dia dumai tongna thambiramu na habagi message madu yauba madu ki thim do yauba makalgi.
A free medical camp was held at the Old Age Home Centre in Kumbi Terakong Lamlong village of Kumbi constituency in Bishnupur district today. Helping Hands Kanglei Park organized the medical camp with assistance from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. 2 doctors examined around 40 elderly persons in the home during the medical camp. Helping Hand Kanglei Park also distributed free medicines to the aged residents of home following medical examinations. Election Committee Poiro Khongjing today organized a tree plantation drive at Kaina tourist spot ahead of Janmashtami celebration tomorrow. Locals of Phoiroi Khongjing planted around 1,600 saplings at Kaina Tourist Spot in Andhra constituency under Thoubal Forest Division. Speaking at the sidelines, Forest and Environment Minister Thaunajam Shyamkumar asserted that Kaina is one of the most sacred places for followers of Gauriya faith. He said the plantation drive was carried out to enhance the aesthetic value of the area by making it green and close to nature. The minister also appreciated the public for taking part in the event.
Ekoi Govinda ki jaga si buksang sangandabi ade environment kandabi yaroi mafam masi ekoi ki yam scenic beauty mo hindabi yaroi bakhalonda yumdong kudingi yum chanipana family thoa kanda mi ani ena mi lising chatruna upambi lising chatruk si thabagi pandamni segi program masina sai khagi matungdadi hairiba mafam masi adugi matik phajaba yam ningthiba manipuri ki tourist singi amadi dharma gi oiba aduma Bhagachandra Maharaj ki matamdagi aduma puwari lairaga sibo lakpa aduma jaga amani mafam asi yamna koi puning ji huba mafam oiba aduma mafam asi phajanda ba yade amadi koi lamdam ji praja sin mafam ngak senda ba yade hagi pandamda u thabi pandam ji pakatman.
Volunteers of local clubs and people of Singjamai Wangma Bhaigapati Laikai under the initiative of United Youth Organization launched a month-long non-residential social service camp today in relation to Lamyanba Hijam Irabot's 122nd birthday celebration. MLA Yashkul T.A. Satyabrata and Ward number 18 Cooperator L. Inunganbi extended financial assistance and grass-moving machine for the camp. Lamyanba Irabot Ningshing Thauram Observation Committee and the Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur will organize the 122nd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irabot, a pioneering martyr of Manipur who fought gallantly against the mighty British. Speaking to media person in this regard at PPCM office in Wahingbam Laikai, Finance Secretary of the committee K.H. Gopan stated that the 1 month-long observance will be held in various places of Manipur and Tripura. The observance will be held at Kaibi Manaching on September 21st, at More on September 26th and at Agartala in Tripura in collaboration with the Manipur Council. He also appealed for extended monetary assistance for the same.
Tripura yauna tawrkada function amase lebak miyam gi mateng yaudana di koina tawbanga moidabana koigi sel gi mateng pangal gi mateng aduga loinana wakhal gi mateng yamna changbana haiba hiram ching asida koigi lento punung sipiduna aduga maroina lamyan bi raboki khundung injariba miyam pumbana koibu mateng pangbirakanda sugumba thabak singam gadrobani aduna haiba tharuk thom sing asida sel gi mateng paisa gi mateng pangbiu haiduna apil tawjari.
Mitei Maruf Mitei Leipak organized the 130th birth anniversary of Lining Hal Nauria Fulo at Nitei Shanglen in Wangkai, Tambalkong today. Attendees of the event paid a floral tribute at the portrait of Nauria Fulo, and the 7th-colored Salai flag was also hoisted to mark the event. Lirol Entertainment organized a painting competition at Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi Community Hall today. Altogether, 200 students divided into 3 categories took part in the competition. Theatre critics Padma Shri Warepa Naba and lifetime president of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, P.H. Gunachandra, and other eminent personalities attended the event. A Manipuri song book entitled Sri Sri Gaura Govinda Ishai Pareng, compiled by Lai Haurangbung Bidhur Singh from Khurai Chungambam Laikai, was released today. Manipuri Manohar Sai Seva Oripok Taurambam Laikai organized a book releasing event at the hall of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Government Music College in Palace Compound. Principal of the college, Lai Mayum Darendrajit, President of Manipuri Manohar Sai Sabha Imphal L. Bidur, and Assistant Professor of Manipur University of Culture, Dr. Makhonmani Mongsaba, graced the event.
No Kabasu, Ludavi Rams and Therapy, Pangzadravi, Samoidi, Imisinadi Ure. A home woman with Consana, Mahosagi, Puraba, Sapronsing, no Mansilla, Papiva Matuda, Imagi Matunda, talks about it.
A book entitled My Tryst with Manipur, written by former Chief Secretary of Manipur, Jarnal Singh, was released at Imphal Hotel today. The book, based on the IAS officer's 23 years of experience in Manipur, highlights issues like ban, blockade and its impact on the people and economy of the state. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Jarnal Singh said he was posted as an IS officer in Manipur in 1974 and took charge as the Chief Secretary, Manipur, in 1975 and also served as an advisor to the Chief Minister till March last year. He also mentioned that he was conferred with the Prime Minister Award in recognition for his work in the state. Jarnal Singh asserted that frequent ban and blockades in the state have deterred private companies from investing funds in Manipur and hindered the development of the state. He appealed for democratic protest instead of ban or blockade for any issue. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, Minister Loshi Diko, MLA Surchandra, Editor Imphal Free Press, Pradeep Panaujam, is Adani Mao from Punanamai village Mao of Senapati district were among those present at the event.
Band blockades. This becomes like a economic blackmail. Yes, people have a right to band and blockade. They can do peaceful. They should not do band and blockade. You can have if you have a grievance, you can show it in a democratic way without resorting to band and blockade, but don't disturb anybody else. And so long as this band and blockade system does not stop, it is very difficult to bring private investment to Manipur. Private persons will not come and work here if they see the number of band and blockades. And when I was here, I found almost every third day there was a band and blockade. So these type of things are not there. Manipur climate is good, people are hardworking, they are healthy, and you will find this will develop much better.
A poetry book written by N. Amravati entitled Aidi Loktak Lairinbini was released in both Bengali and Meitei Mayek scripts today. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur organized the book releasing event at Manipur Union Parishad Hall, Old Assembly Road today. Former Minister Y.A.S. Moirangthem Hemanta, President of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, Yeshkul Khwairakpam and Sahitya Academy awardee R.K. Bobon Sana attended the event. Associate Professor of DM College of Art, Dr. Sarat Chandra Longjamba, spoke about the book. The Writers Forum also organized a Children Poets Meet, expressing admiration for Lamyanda Irawat as a part of its annual Children Literary Meet on the occasion. DS Enterprises will organize a beauty contest entitled Langbal Chanu Beauty Pageant Contest on October 5th during the second Langbal Kaithel Trade Fair organized by Disabled Development Association to be kicked off on September 13. Briefing media person at Kakwa Community Hall today, program manager of the beauty pageant and the representative of DS Enterprises, Oinam Konaldo, intimated that the pageant intends to arouse appreciation and sentiments for indigenous attires and to blend in the same with current trend by the present generation. He also said an audition for the beauty pageant will be conducted at Irom Pukri Mapal on September 30th. Konaldo appealed to all the interested persons to take part in the contest.
Langbal Chanu on Sinjar Isina Kaginoida, Buziki, Hora Angang, Lupi Macha, Mamsida, Mugi Manunga, hidden talent Bamdo, Putopuna, Masagi, a role of woman, have the society, which a Graibungam, we have the Tuksabangam, give them the platform of preserve it. Langbal Chanu, Sigi Tim say, the modern age Sida. Manipuri traditions
United People's Front UPF Manipur will organize its 12th Manipur Mega Marathon 2018 on November 4th. UPF, in association with Athletic Association of Manipur, has been organizing the marathon since 2007 with an aim for a healthy Manipur. Speaking to media person at UPF office in Keshamthong, Laishom Lerak, UPF President W. Second said the mega marathon will be flagged off from Khuman Lampak Men's Stadium and passing through Jingmerong, Khongnangkhong, Rims Road, Nauremthong, Tera, Kwakaithel, Bishum, Singjamai, Ayangpali Road, Khurai, and will conclude at the starting point. Top 3 winners of both men and women's category will be awarded with cash prize, certificates and mementos, and consolation prizes will also be awarded to contestants from 4th till the 15th position.
Ngasigi nisagi ipakta tawrakliba yutchinga che aikoina afabo samajama tinjang kaijang daba masa mau phaba khunai ama oinabage dumlaba pandam aduda United People Fronts UPF Manipurna masigi lamjang lamjel asi Athletic Association of Manipur gi mieng makhada aikoina pangthok jabani lamdam chide leibiriba ahal lamal isinina khwai punamangna hariba lamjel asibu chen bada saruk yabiu mapung phana bahona bada UPF pangal thongna hapiu.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. VC Pandey banes Mutta and Musa for violating Manipur University Act 2015. Varsity community condemns all VC's orders as against MOA signed with MHRD. Villages of Phongyar suffer lack of electricity with 33 by 11 kV power substation of Phongyar remaining non-functional since inaugural. People accord warm welcome to Yumkhaibam Nanao, who walked rally from India Gate till Kangla Gate, spreading awareness on crime against women, drug abuse and integrity. And Salai Holdings Private Limited partnered Forest City project of Malaysia, acquired selling business rights of all high-class villas, condos and apartments across India.